How's this work? Welcome everybody, I'm Scott, founder of CompressX Travel, and I wanted to show you how CompressX Travel works to compress your clothing for travel. What you'll get in a package is two of these, so there's two halves. You lay it out like this. You've got these adjustable buckles here. That's for the width of your luggage, which you really don't have to do it, but you can make it the width of your luggage, or you can make it square. You can fold your clothes in a square like I did today. And so yeah, let me just jump right into it here. Have your clothes pre-folded. Drop it on the first one. Take the second half of your CompressX Travel. Drop it on. Connect up the buckles. For convenience, once you get used to doing this, you can leave two sides of the buckles already snapped together for speed. Once you get it snapped together, you can push it down with your hand. Start compressing the straps. As you can see, the more you pull, the smaller the pile gets. And to make it easier, flip it over like so. And you can continue to do that. You can you flip it over a few more times and pull it. I recommend putting your knee on it as you're pulling the straps up. And then if you really want to be tidy and neat about it, I've got some hook and loop fasteners similar to Velcro. Like this. Put your straps in. Like so. And you're done. There's a handle on each one. Incidentally, this is about 6 days. This is actually 6 days worth of clothes that you could, if you put your knee on it and compressed it more, you could actually fit it into a personal item. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.